Hello everyone, it is KrushTheDeveloper back with the final part of the shop system tutorial. Previously, we worked on making the purchase and inventory system in the shop system. Now we are going to work on the final part, which is selling and data saving system. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is add a remote remote function inside replicated storage. This will be called sell item. There. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go into the inventory handler and just add it up. So local, and then sell item equals game get service replicated storage wait for child, and then sell item. Now what we're going to do is type in sell item dot on server info equals function, and then player space item name. Alright, so now what we're going to do is type local player inventory equals game get service replicate storage wait for child player inventory wait for child player dot name. Now what we're going to do is type in local item equals player inventory wait for child item name. Now we're going to type in item destroy in there. So when we run this, it's basically just going to get this item and destroy it, basically take it out of the player's inventory, and then we're going to return two things, a string and a color. Like, it's going to be the output. So we're going to say successfully sold, and then dot, and we'll do item name dot, and an exclamation point there, and then I'll do color3.new, from RGB, and I'll do 0, space 255, space 0. So basically when we run this, basically when we set something here, so yeah, if we do that, it's basically going to get the player's inventory and get the item in there, it's just going to destroy it, and then we have to turn successfully sold this item name. So this is basically what the shop is going to do. Now what we're going to do is go and open up the inventory UI. Let's go ahead and make the inventory frame visible. And now we're going to go ahead and go to the preview frame and make this visible. So now this sell button right here, we're basically going to modify this. So instead of doing this right, we're basically going to just go ahead and just remove this right here. So yeah, all this is going to be here, but what we're going to do, we're going to change something inside the prompt frame. So the text here, I think this is it, yeah? So right here, would you like to purchase this item? So instead of would you like to sell this item? And now we're just going to modify the prompt frame. So yeah, we don't have the price thing here. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove that in the prompt frame. There, and I'll just have the item text. So if we go to the prompt frame, item name, there you go. And if we click yes, we are going to go ahead and run that remote function we put in the inventory handler. So we're going to copy this line, press Ctrl C, go to our local script where the yes button is, and press Ctrl V. Alright, there. Now what we're going to do is basically do this. So we're going to go to, instead of purchase, we're just going to go ahead and do sell item. So sell item, invoke server, and then the rest is done. Alright, so if we try this, it should work. So let me just try it. If it doesn't, that's okay, we can see what we need to do. So if I go here, I'm going to go ahead and just close all of this. I'm going to close the prompt frame and then the inventory frame. Alright, now let's go ahead and try this. Now if we click on shop, of course you can't buy anything, so we're going to go to the server side, type in game.players.crush741 or your player name, .leaderstats.coins.value equals, and then I'll do 900. Now if I go back to the front, I can see I have 900 coins, and if I click on purchase, I should be able to see which is up to purchase the item, and I successfully purchased it. As you can see, I purchased 500 coins, I now have 400 coins, and I had 900. So I can go ahead and just equip it. But I remember last time I couldn't equip this, so I'm going to just equip it right now. I'll get the pizza and I'll just purchase this one, and I'll go ahead and equip this. So,
pizza!
Now if we click the sell button, we should be able to sell this item. And it's gone. Successfully sold pizza. But we still have the item in our inventory. So
pizza!
we're going to have to fix that. So we were able to successfully remove it from our inventory, but we need to also remove it from the player. So we're going to go ahead and type in, we're going to go ahead and do local expected item equals player.character : find first child item name, or player.backpack : find first child item name. Now we're going to type in if expected item, then, and then we're going to do expected item : destroy. There. So now if I see we go to the model script, right? So I'm pretty sure when items added. So what we're going to do, we're going to just go ahead, go to inventory frame. Basically we're going to add in a local script. So what we're going to do is having this. So I just want to make sure of something first. So if we have these frames here, if we go into our frame right here, right, player GUI, we go to our shop GUI. If I go to our shop frame, go to our scrolling frame, outer. Alright, so the viewport frames are the same names of the item holder. So I'll purchase radar. Wait, I have to run this command again. I'm gonna have to do it in the server side though. There, now I'm gonna click yes, successfully purchase radar, and then go to inventory. As you can see, we have our radar right here, we can equip it, and then we can unequip the radar. So let's just equip for now, we'll click on sell. As you can see, the item's now gone in our inventory. We can't see it there, but we can see it here though. We're gonna have to fix that. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're basically going to just go ahead and type in local. So we're gonna type in local, let's see, scrolling frame equals script.parent.scrolling frame. Local items, hold on. Yeah, local item frames equals scrolling frame : wait for scrolling frame dot outer, and then get children. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna type in no, we're not gonna do get children. I'm sorry. We're just gonna do outer. I'm sorry, my bad. We're going to do outer. Alright, so now we type in local. No, outer. Child removed : connect function, and then we're going to do item, and then we're going to type. So if no, I'm sorry, no, we can't do that. I'm sorry, I meant to do player inventory. Well, yeah, we need to get out of here. So actually, I'm sorry. There. Now the local player inventory equals game : get service replicating storage : wait for child. Player inventory : wait for child, and then game : get service players dot local player dot name. There. So now what we're going to do, instead of outer dot child removed, it's going to be player inventory dot child removed. Alright, so we're going to do local expected frame equals outer : find first child, and then item dot name. And then we're going to type in if expected frame, then expected frame : destroy, in there. So if we click on play, we should be able to go to our shop, and once again we're going to go to the server induce thing. We're going to purchase this hamburger, then we're going to go to our hamburger, we're going to equip it, and we can eat it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and sell this item. Click sell. Alright, so we sold it and it's now gone from our inventory, so we can't see it anymore. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to that prompt frame, click the yes button, and we're just going to go ahead and make this preview frame visible. So script.parent.preview frame. I'm sorry. Yeah, script.parent and and another parent, and then preview frame .visible equals false. Alright, so there. So once we click the yes button, the previous frame is now going to be invisible, so we won't be able to see the preview for that item that's there. So yeah, we don't need to make any changes to it though, because once we click another item in the inventory, it's going to change anyway. Alright, so now that we have done the selling system, we're almost actually done, by the way. We have to go ahead and basically get the item prices. So the prices, okay, where is it? So right here, we're gonna go and find the shop module. Where's the shop module? Oh yeah, it's in the replicate storage. Now the prices here, we're just going to go ahead and copy these. Yeah, wait, I'm sorry. We don't need to copy them, I'm sorry. Okay, so we got the module right here, so we're basically just going to go ahead and do local price equals module.item price. Oh wait, it won't even load from here, that's why. There, we'll add this table here. Equals item prices, and then item name. And then we're going to do player.leaderstats.coins.value minus equals price. Oh, we have to put an equal sign here. So item prices, not name. There you go. So once we run this remote function, we should have our item sold. Alright, so we're going to once again do this thing. And then we click purchase. Alright, there. Now what we're going to do is put on inventory. We can equip it.
Pizza!
I can unequip it and we can sell it. And there you go. We successfully sold the pizza. And I think we got our coins back. So yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. So I can purchase Bloxy Cola. So I think I right now have 740 coins. I think. Let's just open this up before. Okay, that's 730. So let's go to our inventory. Just drink Cola. Then we're gonna sell it. And it seems like we don't get more coins. I don't know why. But we should be able to get more coins after we sold the item. So if we click on shop handler, we're gonna do this. So I did minus equals. Hold on. I need to do plus equals. So yeah. So this item name, so this should work. Alright. So let's just go ahead and do wait for child leader stats. Alright, there. Now let's go ahead and try. Try this hamburger. I am not equipping it once again. I'm not even equipping it because of what happened. I equip this. Seems like we don't get our coins back. I honestly don't know why though. So if we go here, so basically we just have to. Okay, so if we go right here, right? The item should. Oh shoot! I accidentally put it inside the purchase event in the shop handler. Oh my goodness! What was I thinking? Oh shoot! Horrible idea. Oh my god. So my bad, guys. I actually put it in the shop handler. I meant to do it in the inventory handler. Yeah, please forgive me for that. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the inventory handler, which it's meant to be. There. Now I'll go ahead and add that table. And then I'll go ahead and just unequip the sell item right here. So now what we're going to do is we're basically going to go ahead and after everything is removed, we're going to go ahead and give the player the points back. Player.leader.stats.coins.value plus equals item prices and then brackets item name. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and click play, click on inventory, and then click on shop. Oh, it's already open. There. I have a radar. We need to get our coins. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase this radar for 100 coins, and I'm able to successfully purchase it. Now if I go to the inventory, I click on sell, and I get my coins back. So I had 800 when I purchased it, and no, I had 800 after I purchased it, and now sold it, and I now have 900 coins. Now that we've done that, we're going to work on the data saving script. So we're gonna go and type in data handler. So right here, add script, right? A new script. Now I'm going to type in local players equals game get service players. And then local DSS equals game get service data store service. And then local player coins equals DSS get data store, and then quotes, and we'll do player coins. Alright, now we're going to do another one. Local inventory data equals DSS get data store, and then inventory data. Alright, so ignore this right here. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to type in players.player removing connect function, and then we're going to type player there. Now we're going to do player wait for child leader stats dot coins. No, I'm sorry. We need to do local success error output equals pcall function. So pcall is basically a special function that will throw an error if any occurs. So return, you have to do a return so we can get the output. So we're going to do player coins set async. The key is going to be our player user ID. So player.user ID, and then comma space, and then we're going to do player wait for child leader stats dot coins dot value. There. Now what we're going to do is talking if success, then print player dot name dot and then add string here apostrophe s data has been successfully saved. There. I'll do points since we're going to be 2 days over saved. There. So it's easy stuff. So if else, and then we'll do error player dot name and then dot apostrophe s data could not be saved, and then I'll put a colon space and then dot error output. So if there is an error, it's going to show it right here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to type in players dot player added colon connect function player. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do another pcall, but before we do that, we're going to need to add a leader stats. But wait, there's already a leader stats. So local leader stats equals player colon wait for child leader stats. Since there's another script that's already making the leader stats folder, we're going to do player wait for child. However, if that was not the case, we're going to create a new folder named the leader stats and put it inside the player. But yeah, and then we're going to do local coins equals leader stats colon wait for child coins. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and do local success coins equals pcall function. Now this pcall, we're going to return the player's coin, so player coins colon get async, and then the player's user ID only. We don't need the other stuff since we're going to get the data, not save it. So if success, then coins.value equals coins. Oh wait, I have to do points data, so I don't confuse these characters. They're points data. And it will do else error, so we'll print an error. Player.name and apostrophe s coins could not be loaded. And then I'll do colons and exclamation point space dot and coins data. But why are we gonna put the coins data inside the output of the error? Well, if we can't return the point data, returns an error, then we're going to return the variable points data, which is actually going to contain an error. Alright, so now that we have done that, we're going to focus on the inventory. So now the player moving, right? So now we're going to work on the inventory stuff. So I'm going to do, this is going to be called, I'll put a copy here, it's going to be called coins data saved. And now I'll do inventory data saved. There. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do local inventory data table equals and make a blank table. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do local player inventory equals player colon wait for child, game colon get service replicate storage colon wait for child, what is this? Player inventory colon wait for child player dot name. Alright, now we're going to do for I, comma space, item in pairs, player inventory colon get children, do, we're going to go ahead and type in table dot insert inventory data table, and then comma space, and the value we're going to put in is the item's name. So item.name, and there you go. So now once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and run another pcall, local success a comma space error output a equals pcall function. Now we're going to go ahead and just do the same thing, return and then instead of player coins, inventory data, colon, set async right here, and then player.user ID, comma space, and then inventory data table. There. Now what we're going to do is success A. So I'm just going to copy this entire thing and basically paste it all here. Change from success to success A. I'll change this from coins to inventory data. There. I'm going to do this right here. This right here. So there. Player inventory data successfully saved, or player inventory data could not be saved. There. So now we have the inventory data saved. Now I'm going to put another comment here in the player added event. I'm going to go ahead and type in coins data load. Now here's how we're going to load the inventory data. Inventory data load. We're going to go ahead and do this. So local player inventory. Oh wait, before we do that, after we're done with the inventory data, we're going to destroy the player inventory since they left the game. Alright, now what we're going to do is local player inventory equals player once again. There you go, right here. We're going to copy this and paste this in the game. Get some real storage, wait for child player inventory, wait for child player dot name. Now what we're going to do, we're going to type in this. So local success, comma space, inventory data equals pcall function. Now we're going to go ahead and return inventory data colon get async player.user ID. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get out of this pcall function and type in if success, then for I, comma space, item name in payers, inventory data do, and then we're going to go to local shop items equals game colon get server storage colon wait for child shop items. Now what we're going to do, local item equals shop items, and then colon wait for child, inventory data, item name. There. So item name, colon clone. There. Item.parent equals player inventory. So there. Now we're going to do, we're going to type in else, and then we're going to type in error, and then player.name.s inventory data could not be loaded, and then I'll put colon space, I'll do dot, and then we'll do inventory data. So there. Alright, so this entire thing is going to save the coins and inventory, so let's see if this works. Alright, so let's go into our server and let's go ahead and add the coins. There. Now we're going to go ahead and buy some stuff. I'll buy a pizza, a hamburger, radar, and Bloxy Cola. Sorry, rocket launcher. Alright, now we're going to go to our inventory. We can equip these. And I can equip the... Oh shoot, I'm in the shop. I need to go to the inventory. We can equip the hamburger, which is going to be Alright, now we're gonna go and equip the pizza. I think we already did. No, we did.
Pizza!
And then we'll do the radar. Alright,
Pizza!
So we'll be able to do all these, and now what we're going to do is we are basically just going to leave the game. So it should save our coins data when we leave. It says, oh shoot, that's right. So you need to go to our game settings and make sure you click on security and make sure you enable Studio access to API services so you can get access to data store services. Alright, now let's try this again. I'll buy these items. Once again, sorry rocket launcher. Alright, and I'll just add this box code here. I'll go to the inventory and basically equip all of these. There. Alright, so I can
Pizza!
I can eat this. I hate that sound. Alright, now I can do this box code. And I get the radar, which I don't think works. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and leave, and now let's see if it works. Alright, there you go. Crusher 741's coins has successfully been saved, and our inventory data has been successfully saved. So if we join back, as you can see, we have our coins. We go to our inventory. we have our items that we bought from earlier that are now back. Alright, so this video concludes the entire tutorial on making a shop system. Go ahead and congratulate yourself by giving yourself a pat in the back, because you just finished making your very own fully functional shop system. I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you. And if you want to see more tutorials like this and more videos about Roblox development, be sure to subscribe to Krush the Developer. Thank you all so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you guys have a great day.